Welcome back. It's time to pull this engine out. Along with the hoist, the owner kindly lent me a variety of engine straps at different lengths, and we had a few chains and cables laying around that also look like they're up to the task. Eventually, after some trial and error, we used these short purple straps around the left and right side of the engine. Let's start lifting. I needed to remember to periodically check the drive shafts during the lift and help slide them out as space was gained. Word of warning on this, I was not ready for the dump of oil that came out after the drive shafts disconnected. I managed to catch some of it, but the driveway needed a good clean-up job after shooting. Now, can anyone spot anything I've missed here? If not, stay tuned. Looks like this is where I've spotted what I've missed. Another engine steady.
Whoops.
After a quick squirt of WD-40, this one was disconnected.
Inches later.
Pretty simple and straightforward job, made easy thanks to the generosity of a friend with a hoist. Very handy. While it's out, the plan for the engine is to just give it a service, a good clean and perhaps a lick of paint. Timmy was always a good runner, so there's no major work to do here. We can now get a much better look at the front subframe and engine bay. It's still up for debate how much repairing and replacing is going to happen here, but there's certainly some work to do. Thanks for following this project so far. We're down to just a few jobs before we have the car completely dismantled, with the subframes and brake lines being the focus for the next episode. But before all that, I best start cleaning up this driveway. See you next time.